Hi folks, welcome back to Hymer Bill, and it's a quick update on one of the videos I did regarding your auxiliary belt tensioner for the B534 or the 2.5 diesel belt tensioner. This being the belt tensioner, as many of you will be aware of, a crucial part of the engine. Now, breaking through my garage, at the point I heard some comments that, do you have a part number for this? No, I didn't. But raking through my garage, and luckily I don't throw everything out or can't find things. But here we go. For everyone, there is the part number for the Quinton Hazel part. Okay, so QTA237 is the Quinton Hazel part number. Now, a great thing, I don't know if you read there, but in a small print there's a date here of 28th of the 10th 2024. Now that could not have been that long after I purchased this part, before I purchased this part. So I'm thinking Quinton Hazel, they're not going to just make one or two of these, someone must have them. So these must be available somewhere. Probably not in the UK, it'll be Germany, France, somewhere. So they are somewhere. Okay, so don't be caught out and paying 220 quid for them, as some people have been selling them. Okay, they are available. So thanks for watching, just a quick one. Here again is the part number, Quinton Hazel. If you can find them, hit me up in the comments, let me know that people can get them. I've got a brand new one in my van, I'm not really worried, I've got the spare as well. Okay, so thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe to keep the channel going.